I just removed the capacitor from the engine, and I don't know. I think the capacitor just serves to save the contact points. It takes the charge from the contact points and prevents them from burning out too quick. But maybe in this, at least that's how it's in a car. So the engine should work fine without it, but let's just give it a try. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this different engine it actually boosts up the electricity maybe. So it's a 0.2 microfarad, 200 DC. I guess that's 200 volts DC. UC 240. Unfortunately, the car one doesn't have any numbers on it, but its part number is an AL 118T. Just here, zoom in. YG series. Let's see what happens.